All right, boys and girls, let's go ahead and get started with this week's craft. We're going to be making a paper sculpture that's been inspired by St. Basil's Cathedral, which is found in Moscow, Russia. Here are the things that you should have in your kit. You should have a cake board, a little vial or a little tube of some fake snow, 2 long pipe cleaners and 5 short pipe cleaners. These cut pieces of paper, you should have 4 of this size, 12 of this size, and 24 of this size, and then 1 large one, a glue stick, some tacky glue, and then inside this little bag are some Russian chocolates. Yum, yum. So I hope you can enjoy eating a little snack as you put together your craft. So the first thing we want to do is to glue these papers into a tube shape. To do that, flip it over onto the back and add glue just to one edge. Roll it. When you're finished, you'll have a tube like this. Then you're going to want to do the same thing with these 4 short ones. So once you have all of those 5 put together, you can set them aside, and we're going to start working on this dome piece. We're going to start with the dome piece for this largest tower, and for that, you're going to use all 12 of the longer strips. You'll also need one of the short pipe cleaners. To do this, you'll take all 12 and you'll arrange them in an A-B pattern. So you want one this color, then the next. Then once you have them in order, you're going to take your pipe cleaner and put it through, and on one end you're going to bend it over into a little loop so that it can't pull out. Then you're going to fold all of these over and stick it again through the pipe cleaner. You want them to be in a shape like this. So once you get here, you need to bend the top into a circle. That way it should look like this. Then all you have to do is start pulling these apart. And this is going to go right on top of this tallest tower. So now let's work on the dome piece for this smaller one. You're going to need 8 of the shorter strips, 4 of one color and 4 of a different color. Keep going until you have made the dome pieces for all 4 of the short tubes. Okay, and now it's time to assemble it on our cake board. So we're going to use our tacky glue for this. You'll need to be sure to snip off the end of it so it can come out. And we're going to start by gluing down our largest tower. And to do that, we're just going to be really generous. Put a lot of glue on there and set it right on top. To do this, you're going to do the same thing. It'll dry clear, so put kind of a lot of glue right on top. Then we'll arrange our shorter towers around this bigger one. Cut down the pipe cleaner and make some little crosses just by twisting the pipe cleaner like this until you get a cross shape. And then these we're going to put on top of our domes. Bend it. Okay, and now for our finishing touch, we're going to add some snow to the top of our St. Basil's Cathedral. So using your tacky glue, I'm going to actually put it on my finger and spread the glue where I want the snow to be. Okay, and now that I have all of the glue spread out all over on the tops and on the ground, then I can start sprinkling on some snow. And now our St. Basil inspired cathedrals are complete. Be sure to let this dry overnight before you try to move it, and send me some pictures. I'd love to see your finished creations. I hope you guys had fun putting this together, and I hope it inspires you to come up with your own artwork, maybe using some of the techniques that you learned today. I'll see you next week. Bye!